So this is actually the game. It's a very the app the quiz app. So it is actually very simple. You just have to um, pinch the bot with start quiz, and when you hit that, the bot tells you, it prompts you with questions, right? So the user will have to, like, the stacky will have to, like, choose what is the correct answer. This particular quiz is from the total the wallet campaign on the StackUp. I generated a kind of quiz questions and answer based on that quest. So Starkeys will have to from the GitHub repo, I explained there's some things there. So this is just a quiz prep. So the answer to this is 2. Let's test the correct and incorrect functionality of it. So yeah, it says correct quiz dev 74671 answered correctly. So let me get this incorrect and let's see what it tells us. Say wrong, the answer was 3. So the question was, what happens if you lose your private key? And the correct answer should be, you lose your assets to your digital assets, but they remain on the blockchain. And I choose you can still access your assets with your public key. So another key feature I did in this was in 1 minute, if a user does not answer, the bot will actually lock the game off and it will stop the quiz, right? So if a user does not answer in 1 minute, the quiz will actually end. So almost like a minute is almost up. So let's just wait till a minute, and you'll see that the quiz will actually stop. It's just a few seconds before that. Let's just wait. At least we've tested the other functionalities. All right, so as you can see, let's say time is up for this question. Now the conditions here are not like the ones in the StackUp quiz time. I think they give strict the time, but this is just to be flexible for all Stackies to like attempt. And yeah, with time they will be able to like learn and I'd be able to gain confidence with attempting the quiz time. That's the focus, to be able to like practice. So if, for example, the quiz, there's a new quiz that is coming by 30th from the monthly happenings. The quiz that is coming by 30th. So when I get updates, probably from the announcement channel on the group on the particular quiz, I could actually go and get questions from that particular quiz, then refer Starkage to probably come to this channel, the test Discord bot, so that they can practice and prepare themselves for that quiz time. So that's just the idea or the concept behind this, the whole thing. So the last functionality before this stops, let's start the game again. So they don't always have to wait for 1 minute for the game to not ask a question before the quiz stops, right? So they could, okay, sorry, I just tested game. I'm not supposed to test game. Let me end the game. This is, I will do this in the next video. So let's say I start the quiz. All right, start the quiz again. And yeah, I get the first answer correct. As I get the first answer correct, right? And then I decide to, like, probably just, I don't want to play the quiz anymore. can just say end quiz, right? And Stacky can end the quiz from there. So yeah, the quiz has now ended. Now I didn't actually deploy this anywhere. On my local device where I actually did this, I actually used PM2 package to actually endlessly run the local server. So I did that so that it to be flexible, so that in the future I can get to like write more code, like update more quests, more preparation requests for Stackage to like in the future like test themselves for the different quiz that will be coming on the StackUp platform. So deploying it with like one time of deployment will not give me that flexibility. So I use PMT to start it. So Stackit can always come here and test and run this whenever they can. When I want to upload a new code, I will do that, and the new code I uploaded will be from my local Windows drive, and they'll be updated on the bot, right? So it's really flexible that way. So that's what I actually had in mind, and that's what I actually implemented. So that's all for the test or the functionality of the game. I will send the link to the server so that the Questmaster can test this up.